She creaks, she moans, she smells like toast, but I love that junker the very most. Lipstick stains on the rearview glass, stuck in third, can't drive too fast. Ooh yeah, she mine. First kiss, backseat, pizza Jeep, spilled coffee, lost receipt. Dog hair, jam jar, broken glove box, glitter from the night with the punk rock fox. Flat tire, brown light, ghost in the trunk, midnight breakup, smell like funk. Baby seat, busted beat, red balloon, Nana's groceries every afternoon. Nana's drive, you held my soul through every ditch and every toll. Coffee and gas and dreams and songs, you rode with me all life long. Right on the windshield, squeak, white squeal. Clutch so stiff, it don't feel real. Lost my wallet, found my fate in your passenger seat, second date. Stolen fries, driving shows, secret cry where nobody knows. You ain't pretty, you ain't lean, but you've been my rolling time machine. But now she leaks, she stinks, she guzzles oil, carbon cloud and piston boil. Hydrogen waits in showroom light, whisper green and future bright. She purrs so green, no sound, no smoke, just press a button, no joke. I hesitate, a small aside, can I let my legend die? Okay, I'll keep your mirror as a charm, your fuzzy dots, your broken alarm. But it's time to go, I'll kiss your dash before you turn into landfill trash. Soon I'll go on hydro style, but think of you every mile. Rattle trap, my smoky star, you'll always be my first true car.